Another day, another story. Punjab, a state in northern India, is known for its rich cultural heritage, historical sites, and vibrant cities. Here are 20 of the best places to visit in Punjab. 1. Amritsar Home to the iconic Golden Temple, Amritsar is a spiritual and cultural hub. The Wagah border ceremony is also a major attraction here. 2. Chandigarh the capital city of Punjab in Haryana. Chandigarh is known for its well-planned architecture, rock garden, and Sukna Lake. 3. Ludhiana the largest city in Punjab, Ludhiana is an industrial and commercial center with historic landmarks and vibrant markets. 4. Jalandhar famous for its sports industry and historical sites like the Devi Talad Mandir. Jalandhar offers a mix of modernity and tradition. 5. Patiala known for its royal heritage, Patiala features palaces, forts, and the iconic Qila Mubarak complex. 6. Anandpur Sahib a significant religious site for Sikhs, Anandpur Sahib is known for its gurdwaras and the Ola Mohalla festival. 7. Pathankot serving as a gateway to Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir, Pathankot has historical forts and picturesque surroundings. 8. Bathinda known for the Qila Mubarak, a historic fort, and the thermal power plant, Bathinda is an industrial city with historical significance. 9. Fatehgarh Sahib this city holds historical importance due to the Gurdwara Fatehgarh Sahib, commemorating the younger Sahibzadas of Guru Gobind Singh. 10. Sangrur known for its historical architecture and religious sites. Sangrur is a city with cultural significance. 11. Hoshiarpur surrounded by lush greenery, Hoshiarpur offers a tranquil escape and is known for its wood and ivory carvings. 12. Mansa Mansa is famous for the Mansa Devi Temple and is known for its religious and cultural heritage. 13. Ferozpur situated near the Indo-Pak border, Ferozpur has historical remnants and is known for its connections to the freedom struggle. 14. Faridkot with palaces, forts, and gardens, Faridkot showcases historical and architectural beauty. 15. Gurdaspur the birthplace of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Gurdaspur has religious significance and historical monuments. 16. Kapurthala known as the Paris of Punjab, Kapurthala boasts French-inspired architecture, including the Jagachit Palace. 17. Rupnagar, Ropar, home to the Bakra Nangal Dam, Rupnagar offers a serene environment and historical sites. 18. Nawan Shahar known for its religious sites, Nawan Shahar offers a blend of spirituality and culture. 19. Kana famous for its agricultural industry, Kana also hosts the annual Kisan Mela, Farmers' Fair. 20. Moga with religious sites and parks, Moga is a growing city in Punjab. These are just a few of the many fascinating places to explore in Punjab. Whether you're interested in history, spirituality, culture, or modern city life, Punjab offers a diverse range of experiences for visitors. Thanks for watching.